Welcome to the Denodo Platform 8.0 Enhancements video. In this video, we will be outlining the new enhancements included in the 2024 third quarter update of Denodo Platform 8.0. In this video series, we will be covering the most important enhancements added to the different Denodo servers and tools. For this specific video, we will review the enhancements for the Data Catalog, Solution Manager, Scheduler, and other Denodo tools. We will now review the features added to the Data Catalog. The official supported models for ChatGPT, listed in the AI integration page of the Denodo Data Catalog, has been updated to list the latest models released. From this update, the information of a view sent to LLM for the assisted query includes specific data such as the association like endpoints, multiplicity, or association roles, primary keys, tags, to improve the results of the AI assistant. Also, the Ask a Question service has been added to the Data Catalog, which provides several features necessary for the Denodo AI chatbot. These features include 1. Retrieving a response from a VQL statement with a limit parameter. 2. Finding relevant data. Other enhancements added to the Denodo Data Catalog consist of the following. Once the query generation process has started, you can stop it at any time by pressing the new Cancel button. If the token count falls short of transmitting all necessary information, the Data Catalog automatically trims it down using the token reduction algorithm, prioritizing the view schema and essential function information. Finally, Data Catalog can synchronize VDP tags by executing the sync endpoint exposed by the Solution Manager. We will now introduce the enhancements added to the scheduler. This Denodo platform includes the following changes and enhancements. Now, it is possible to use Startle's encryption in an SMTP server in the mail configuration of the scheduler when a username and password are not provided. The scheduler now supports Kerberos constrained delegation without protocol transition, and it has received support for AWS IAM credentials and AWS Instance Credentials authentication mechanisms when using the Amazon Aurora database as the external scheduler's metadata database. Regarding the scheduler index server, now it is possible to get the indices created by the Data Catalog. Finally, the index has received the support of the Korean Morphological Analyzer, Analysis Nori. We will now introduce the enhancements added to the Solution Manager. Local administrators can create users and roles if they get these roles assigned by the global administrator. Before this update, if a local administrator creates a revision, the create user and create role statements were not included, unless he is also a global admin. Starting in this update, these create user/role statements will be included in the revision when created by a local administrator. From this update, it is possible to restrict the management of the deployment configuration or the load balancing variables for users with the deploy admin privilege. The client secret in the OAuth 2.0 configuration section of the Solution Manager administration tool has been set as optional. Finally, it has been implemented an audit trail feature to track user operations within the Solution Manager. This functionality records and logs all user actions, providing a comprehensive audit trail for monitoring and analysis purposes. We will now review the enhancements for the miscellaneous tools included in the Denodo platform. In the diagnostic and monitoring, we can find the following enhancements. A new column named Query Execution Thread Pool has been added to the Threads table, which can be used to search the threads that belong to the VDP server's Query Execution Thread Pool. Also, users will be able to filter which threads belong to the VDP server's Query Execution Thread Pool, and which threads do not. The GraphQL service has received several enhancements in this update. Several enhancements have been added to the serialization of virtual data port complex types array and struct in the GraphQL service. Compound type fields are now treated as GraphQL object types, so it will be necessary to add the desired subfield projections of the compound type field. Support to filter specific columns from an array argument has been added in GraphQL Query. The Denodo GraphQL now has the configuration option for storing the session and can use session variables in the context clause. Thanks for watching this video series detailing new features for the Data Catalog, Scheduler, and Solution Manager. If you want to learn more about the different enhancements added in the new Denodo 8 update, you can watch other videos in this series, or you can check the new features guide of the Denodo Platform 8 documentation. Thank you.